I'm Iona Fyfe and I'm fair delighted to be singing Auld Lang Syne for the St Andrew's Society of Toronto. So I'm hoping that you're a having a very good hogmanay and a the best to yous all for a happy and healthy 2021. Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot, Syne Auld Lang Syne, for Auld Lang Syne, but tro, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld Lang Syne, and surely I'll be your pint stoop, and surely I'll be mine, and we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld Lang Syne, for Auld Lang Syne, my tro, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld Lang Syne. We twa here aboot the braes and put the gardens fine, and we've wandered mony's a weary fit, Syne Auld Lang Syne, for Auld Lang Syne, but tro, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld Lang Syne. We twa pedaled in the burn, fae morning sun till dine, but seas atween us Brady road, Syne Auld Lang Syne, for Auld Lang Syne, but tro, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld Lang Syne, and here's a hand by trusty friend, and gie's a hand o' thine, and we'll take a recht good welly wacht, for Auld Lang Syne, for Auld Lang Syne, but tro, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet, for Auld